Hi, this is Rick from DuraCoat. Today we're going to be using the DuraCoat Aerosol, which is available in at least 500 colors. And today we're going to be doing Tactical OD Green. And how to work this can is you would shake it for at least 3 minutes. And there's a canister of hardener inside this can. And you would simply take this red cap off, put it on the little knob on the bottom of the can, and push firmly on the tabletop, and then shake for another 3 minutes. And today we're going to be doing a 45 slide, which already has been degreased with True Strip degreaser and sanded with 600 grit sanding paper. Now let's go to the spray booth. Okay, now that we're at the spray booth here, we're going to want to spray at least 3 light layers with the DuraCoat Aerosol. And of course, put your respirator on. And now that we're done with the Tactical OD Green, we can let it sit overnight and then reassemble. And be sure not to put any harsh chemicals on the DuraCoat for at least 2 to 3 weeks. And that's how we do the DuraCoat Aerosol.